Hello everyone! Mel is here again, and guys, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Richdale West Residences. This is located at Barangay Panungyanan, General Trias, Cavite. Guys, itong nakikita nyo sa aking likuran, isa to sa mga house type, 3 house type na itatayo po dito sa Richdale West Residences. We have Jasmine Townhouse Expanded, meron tayong Linnea, and the third one is Carnation. Actually, itong nasa likod ko guys ay ang Carnation na model unit. So, pagdating po sa Jasmine Townhouse Expanded, meron po itong 78.65 square meter na floor area. And the inner lot is 71.5 square meter. At ang end lot naman po ay 106 square meter. And also, yung Linnea naman po, meron po tayong 100 square meter. And ang lot area, ang floor area po niya ay 77.25 square meter. Dito po sa Carnation, meron po itong 99 square meter lot area. And the floor area guys is 66 square meter floor area. So let's go inside para makita po natin ang turnover unit po ng Carnation. Go! So here, space for your carport here. So dito na place is pwede nyo na pong lagyan pa ng any design na gusto nyo pong gawin. So from here, going here, so ayan, nasa around 5 meters wide ang frontage po ng Carnation. So, from here, ito yung pinaka-property line po ninyo. Ayan. Okay. So, let's go inside. So, ito na po yung pinaka-turnover unit po ng Carnation. So, ayan, napakataas po ng ceiling. There. So, this area, magiging living area mo dito. Okay, so we have here sliding window. Ayan. So, this one, your toilet and bath. Here. And the other one, ito yung sink mo. So, meron pa po tayong service area po sa likod. We have 2 mirrors ang setback po here. So, dito. So, let's go upstairs. So, dito po sa model na to is meron pong another toilet and bath here. At nakikita nyo po, ready to install na po lahat yung mga electrical wirings here. Natural light will come in because, ayan o, kahit wala kang aircon guys, pwede mo lang buksan to at napakalamig po ang simoy ng hangin here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 sliding window here. Okay? So, ayan guys, kayo na po bahalang mag-customize ng unit na to. Okay. Sa mga interested buyers na gusto pong mag-avail dito sa Richdale West Residences, General Trias, Cavite guys. So, you can easily direct message to my FB page, Mel Real Estate Service, and to my personal FB account, Mel Alminanza. Or, you may call now for more details of this unit. Okay? Let's make your dream home happen here in Richdale West Residences. Thank you so much guys for watching. God bless. Bye.